guys, thanks for stopping into the channel today. You guys know that you really like clean vehicles if you get excited for cleaning products, which is what is in this box right here. So as you guys can see with the lovely tape, I got me some new JaxWax products that I am excited to tear into this box here and find out. So let's get right into this because I'm just so excited to show you guys some new products and some of the products that I'll be trying on the channel here very soon to show you guys how they work. I just love this. They give you little letters. Lovely letter they got there. So they had a sale, so I went and ordered a lot of stuff. Let's see here. I was out of my ceramic shampoo, or almost, so I decided to get it. And this is their new brand they came out with SEMA 2019. I'm not sure what the difference is. The other ones have black labels. These have gray. I guess this is their newer, better ceramic coating. So I figured instead of just getting some refillables and refilling an old bottle, I would get a new bottle because it's the new kind. So got that. I also got me some ceramic detailer because I have like half a bottle left, but I can never seem to remember where I put it. So I got a backup now for whenever I find that one or whenever it goes empty. I just love how they give you all your squirters here. As you guys can see how many that I ordered, by how many squirters they sent me. Ooh, I got the new JaxWax t-shirt because I was like, ooh, that looks really sweet. So I went and got that. Oh yeah. I'm excited about that. I like repping my quality products that I use. I got me some HD wheel and tire cleaner. I went and I have the wheel cleaner that like eats your brake dust off, but I'm like, I don't really have anything to clean tires with. I'd rather just save that for brake dust and use these for my tires and stuff like that. So I wanted to get this and try this out because everyone says this stuff works awesomely. I'll get to that in a second. Super glue. I have Duradressing on my truck tires and it works really well, but yet I'm like, my car, I just went and waxed it and got it all shined up in the wife's car, and I said, well, the tires are looking pretty dull on them because I'm used to the shininess on my truck tires. So I wanted to find something that I could use on these, and I got me some super glue. It's supposed to be a good tire dressing to put on, and then the applicator block I should already have. Then they go, and of course you need an applicator block, but I already had an applicator block to go with it. Okay guys, so this last product, they just came out with it and I was so excited to try it out. So that was my main reason for going onto their website and ordering stuff, was because I wanted this, and then I found these products that I wanted, and these I needed refills on. But it is the carpet and fabric cleaner. I just got some chintzy Walmart fabric cleaner that I use, and because I just needed something fast, but yet I wanted something that I knew was going to work real well and really nice to use and get stuff extra clean. So I wanted to go and get the JaxWax fabric and carpet cleaner to use in my vehicles because I didn't have anything besides just that there. And then it comes with your brush that I can put on my drill, which I actually don't know where my drill is right now, but look at the size of this brush. Like, look, that's a huge stinking brush. I was thinking it was going to be like a 3-inch brush. That's like a 6-inch brush. That's huge. Like, where's the comparison? This is a 6-inch cutoff wheel. Okay, so it's like a 5-inch. Still huge. I was expecting it to be like an itty bitty one. That's a big brush. Got my nozzle for that. They send you a good scrub brush. I'm not sure if this was supposed to come with the fabric kit or the tire cleaner, but these are always handy to have. You can never have enough of these. They sent you a good old nice towel to use. And then, oh yeah, they sent me a gallon of refillable for your fabric cleaner. Oh yeah, and now the box is empty. But you know you guys like cleaning your vehicles when you go and you're excited to open this stuff, which is stinking stuff that I extremely like to use. As you can tell, I just keep getting more and more of their products. Like I'll go through a video here soon of my detail bag all loaded up with all of this stuff, because I've been using the crap out of my detail bag. If you guys don't have one of them, go on their website and go into the bottom of your detail bag, because they're sold out. I had to wait 2 months for mine, but it was well worth the wait, guys. Well worth the wait. Awesome quality detail bag, awesome. But I'll go through a video of the detail bag here very soon of how I got loaded up and how I use it on a weekly basis when cleaning my vehicles. It's extremely nice. But yeah, go into there and go to the sold out and go to the bottom and type in your email. That way you can send you a notification when it is back in stock, because you know you guys want that. But you guys can never have enough of your JaxWax products, and I am so excited to try this stuff out, especially this carpet cleaner, even though I don't really get my carpet that dirty because I have WeatherTechs that cover like 95 square inches of your floor, where only part that doesn't really get dirty is like the sides. And then I thought I would just show you guys this. I've got like old stuff that I'm trying to use up and just get rid of so I can switch over to 100% JaxWax. Would you guys look at that? Right there's a ceramic detailer. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a comparison on the description of that versus the other. But as you guys can see, I am like loaded up. I got like everything imaginable in here. I got all these old products, and then this is normally 100% full, but yet my detail bag is loaded up right now. And this is normally stacked clear to the top shelf, but again, my detail bag is loaded up right now. So I'm just going to do a quick ramble off of the description on the back of these, the directions, and all that stuff to see the comparison, because actually I have not used that much of that. I love how they have the nice labels on them, and then they got this part on the side where you can actually see how much is in them. I love that. That's pretty cool. Let me just ramble off this. That's your basic right there. Let's read this one. It pretty much so says the exact same thing. I would just say that this is a reformed product. That's like, oh, I don't know if it's either that they just changed the formula just a little bit to make it a little bit better than that one, or if they just changed the label. But to me, it's like the exact same. It's like word for word the exact same on the back. Yeah, but I'm happy with my haul here, guys. I'm so excited to try these products out. I will be showing you guys a video of the carpet cleaner in action. I'll be showing a video of the super glue in action and the HD wheel and tire cleaner in action. And right here is the other one that I have. It's the JaxWax Ultimate. It's supposed to like eat brake dust away, and my RAM, of course, I will put a link to that over here, but my RAM has like awful brake dust in the front on the wheels. If you guys have any recommendations for better brakes that won't like show brake dust after using your brakes like 4 times at a stoplight maybe, that would be awesome. Get that into the comments and give me that. But I've got this I'm gonna try to use just on my truck for like brake dust, and I'll use this for general cleaning on my wheels and tires and all that good stuff. But yet, this is it. And does this drive anyone else crazy? I've got like 25 of these that go in bottles. And then I bought this when all Corona first hit, and JaxWax started selling their hand sanitizer and stuff, and those bottles have white labels, so they started sending white nozzles, and they sent a white nozzle with it with a black label. That just drives me crazy. Like wouldn't that look so much better than that. Like, really? But they sent me a white gum because I ordered hand sanitizer from my wife's work at the same time. So they sent me like 3 of these. And I'm like, where's the black ones? So that kind of sucks. It kind of drives me crazy. But besides that, you guys, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this revealing of all these awesome new products that will come to the channel here very soon to try out with you guys. Comparing a couple products and kind of giving you these products here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and get on there and give this video a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.